next, we will take a little tour through the kitchen. This is the walk-in. This is where we keep all your milk and everything.
Freezing.
Who's made pizza before? Two right here. Lay pizza crust on pan. Just to have the kids follow directions. A lot of them never followed the recipe before, so I'm just gonna see about having them follow a recipe.
Make a happy face.